Okay, children, welcome to the today's class, ma. So open your textbook, children. Open page number 15. We'll continue the textual part, ma. Okay. So here, ma, look at this man. He's so tall, na, ma. So what is this, ma? Jumpa once read a list of the tallest people in the world. So we also see the tallest and shortest people, na, ma. Do you remember, ma? In the 2.1 video, we saw that one. We saw the tallest man in the world and the shortest man in the world, nama. So look at, and what is his height, ma? This man's height is 272 centimeters. So good tall, ma. 272 centimeters, ma. So here our heights are 1 meter, 132, 136. Like this one, ma, he's so tall. That is just double of Jampa's height. Jampa's height. So she was amazed. Look at this girl, ma. She's Jampa. How she looks, ma. She looks so amazed by knowing that the man height is double of her height. So what is her height, ma? How tall is Jampa? How to find, ma? What she gave a clue, ma. What is the clue? Her height is double, ma. Her height is double of his height is double of her height. So what is his height, ma? His height is 272 centimeters. So what is the Jumpa's height? How can we find out? By doing division with 2, ma. Why? Because it's double, na, ma. So had to into divide. So 2 1 is 2. Bring down the 7. 2 3s are 6. Okay, ma. 7 minus 6 1. Bring down the 2. So we get 12. Again 2 6 are 12. So what is Jumpa's height, ma? 136 centimeters. Okay, children, if you multiply 136 with 2, this is the vice versa or reciprocal of this one, ma. So what we get, ma? We get 272. Why? Because this is double of 136. Okay, children. So imagine here, ma. Could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? So what is the length of our classroom door, ma? Our classroom door is 250 centimeters. Okay, ma. That means 2.5 meters, ma. How much, ma? 2.5 meters. So can that pass through, go through the door of our classroom without bending? How can it possible, ma? The man is how much? What is his height, ma? 272 centimeters height he is. So without bending, he can't able to move, go through the door, ma, from the door. So what is your answer, ma? No. Why, ma? Why? Because door of our classroom is 250 centimeters. Okay, children. So here next question, ma. Will his head touch the roof of our house if he stands straight? Okay, children. So if he stands straight, his head is touched the roof. So, okay, ma. So what is the length of our room, ma? The height of our room is approximately 300 centimeters. Okay, ma, approximately 300 centimeters. So he is shorter than that one. He is just 272 meters, ma, compared to the length of our room. So what is the answer, ma? Will his head touch the roof of our house? No, ma. Okay, ma, because our height of our room is bigger than his height, ma. So move to the next one, ma. The long and short of your family. So you measure the heights, now we did this activity, na, children. So who is the tallest in your family? Obviously, maybe most of that your dad, your father is the tallest person in your family. Okay, man, the shortest person in your family, the youngest sibling, maybe if you either you only, if the youngest one in your family, maybe you are, if you have a younger brother, if you have a younger brother or a younger sister, the youngest person of the family is the shortest. So write her name, my sister, or my younger brother, my younger sister. So what you have to do, ma, you have to find the difference between their heights. You have to find the difference. So first one, write your father's height here. Then write your the youngest person's family member's height. Then do the subtraction, children. What you get the answer right here. Okay children, now move to the next page children, page number 16. Okay children, here, wow, inter school sports meet. Okay, in our school also conducted the sports meets now. You are participating in the running race, all, do you remember that one? So here also in the schools also they are participating in a race. What ma? They conducted a race, that is a 100-meter race for girls. This race for only girls ma. So what is the it is a 100-meter race ma. So in 2.1 video na ma, I show the track na ma, just to recall that one. So Arundhati is one girl, Rehana is another girl, Konkana, Uma. So 4 girls are participating here. How many girls ma? 4 girls are participating. What are their names ma? Arundhati, Rehana, Konkana and Uma. Arundhati is nearest to the finishing line. So Arundhati is very nearest to the finishing line ma. Okay ma? So this is Arundhati. And behind her, who is this? This is Rehana. Behind her is Rehana. And 2 girls, Konkana and Uma. Look at these 2 girls ma. Here Konkana and Uma are running behind the Rehana. So to answer the questions below, choose from these distances. And he gave the 4 distances ma. 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters. Okay children, with the help of these 4 distances you have to complete the answers ma. So the first question is, okay children, look at this one. This is the finishing line ma. This is the finishing line. So Arundhati is very close to finishing line. Next behind her Rehana is there. Then Konkana and Uma following to Rehana. So first question is, how far is Rehana from Arundhati? How far is Rehana from Arundhati? So the distance between, what he asked ma, the distance between these 2 girls he is asking. This is Arundhati ma. What's her name? Arundhati. Okay children, so what you have to choose ma, these are the answers ma. 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters and 15 meters. Observe the distance ma, from here to here 6 meters ma. He gave that one. So now Rehana is here. So here to here, how much ma? Maybe approximately this is shorter than 6 meters obviously. So which is the shorter measurement ma, among these 4? 3 meters. So what is the answer ma? 3 meters. Do you understand children? So let's move to the next question. How far ahead is Rehana from Konkana and Uma? So what he is asking ma, how far ahead? Rehana is ahead from these 2 girls na ma, Konkana and Uma. So how far? So what you have to do ma, you have to measure the distance from these 2 girls to this Rehana. Okay children, so observe this one ma, it is also approximately same as this distance from the finishing line to Arundhati. Okay, so what is the answer ma? 6 meters. 6 meters. Okay children, the distance also looking similar ma. Take a ruler and measure it ma. Okay children, don't guess that one. Okay ma, take a ruler and measure the distance. Then okay ma, then choose your answer. So 6 meters. Meters ma. Okay children, now move to the third question. How far are Konkana and Uma from the finishing line? So where is the finishing line children? This is the finishing line. So this is the finishing line. Where are the Konkana and Uma? Are here. So how far they are? Here to here 6 meters. Then 3 meters. 6 plus 3 how much ma? 9. Now here to here 6. So 9 plus 6 15 meters. So what is the distance ma? That is 15 meters. Okay children? Okay, move to the next one. Have you heard about a 1500 meters, sorry, 1500 meters means 1500 meters or 3000 meter race? You remember that 1000 meters make a 1 kilometer. Obviously you will learn this one. So 1 kilometer is equal to how much ma? 1000 meters. So and 500 is obviously half of a kilometer. So half kilometer means one. What is the half of 1000 ma? 500. Okay ma, do you ever heard ma this kind of races ma? 1500 ma, 1500-meter race and 3000-meter race ma. Just we our tracks ma only they have 400-meter races are held in the tracks ma. Race tracks are there na ma. More than that one people run on the road, that is called marathon. Okay ma, do you remember that marathon ma? So you can say here in a 1500 meters race people run. 1500 meters means 1500 meters. So I divide it into two parts ma, 1000 meters plus 500 meters. Okay ma? So 1000 meters means how much children? 1 kilometer. And 500 meters means half kilometer. So you can say 1.5 kilometer. 1.5 kilometer. Okay children, 3000 meters means 3000 kilometers. Convert into kilometers ma. 3000 meters. When you convert into meters, when you convert into kilometers, how many kilometers ma? 3 kilometers. 1 kilometer 1000 meters. 2 kilometers 2000 meters. 3 kilometers means 3000 meters. Okay children, move to the next page children. Okay ma. Okay children, have you heard about marathon? We heard about nama. So in the tracks only up to 400 meters only run in the tracks ma. So more than that one people run marathons, marathon races. Why ma? Why? Because with a noble cause ma, people run in the marathon, people participate in the marathon for a noble cause ma. Most of the people participate in the for the noble cause only. Some people with for fun, to meet all the people, for different reasons people participate in the marathons ma. In which people have to run about in marathons, people are run about the 40 kilometers. So that's why they came on roads ma. So people run marathons on where ma? On roads. Why? Because tracks are not sufficient. Because the track of the stadium is only 400 meter. That's why people run marathon on roads ma. Okay children. So here 10 rounds of a stadium track. Stadium track is how many kilometers ma? How many meters ma? Only 400 meters only. So if you round 10 rounds, if you run 10 rounds ma, so 400 into 10. Okay ma? So what is the answer ma? 4000 meters. 4000 meters means how many kilometers children? How many kilometers children? 4000 meters means 4 kilometers. Okay children? So children, if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete how many rounds ma? You have to complete dash rounds. So how many ma? For a marathon, how many kilometers you need to run ma? 40 kilometers. But in a stadium only 400 meters ma. So 40 kilometers convert into meters ma. So how much ma? 40,000 meters. And you have to divide with 400. So what you get ma? 0 0 4. 1 is 4. So how many rounds ma? 100 rounds. How many children? 100 rounds. If you run 100 rounds in a track, then you complete a marathon ma. One marathon. So one marathon is equal to 40 kilometers. Okay children, let's move to the next topic, long jump. So in race was conducted for girls only. For boys, so for boys, which competition ma? Long jump competition conducted ma. Which one ma? Long jump. So you played na ma? Yeah, this is the long jump for boys. Here look at this one ma. How many boys are there? 5 boys are there. Okay ma, let's find out their names. Dhanu, next Gurjeet and Gopi. So Who comes first, ma? Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meters. So Dhanu had the longest jump. How many, ma? 3 meters 40 centimeters. So he is the winner, ma. Okay, next in the second place, Gurjeet in the second place. So second place occupied by Gurjeet, ma. Gurjeet in the second place. His jump is 20 centimeters less, ma. Less than Dhanu's. So what is the Dhanu's? What is his? Dhanu's jump is 3 meters 40 centimeters. That means 3 meters 40 centimeters. So who got the second place, ma? Gurjeet got the second place. So what is his height, ma? He don't give that height, but he said his height is just less than 20 centimeters than Dhanu's height. If you subtract 20 centimeters from Dhanu's jump, you get the Gurjeet's jump. So 40 minus 20, 20 centimeters and 3 meters. So this is Gurjeet's jump, ma. What is that one, ma? 3 meters 20 centimeters. And who comes third, ma? Gopi comes third. His jump is only 5 centimeters less than Gurjeet's jump. So what is the Gurjeet's jump, ma? That is 3 meters 20 centimeters. This is Gurjeet's jump. So Gopi's jump is just 5 centimeters less than that one. Okay, children. So you have to subtract 5 from Gurjeet's jump. So what you get? 20 minus 5, 15 centimeter, 3 meter. So okay, children. So how long are the Gurjeet's and Gopi's jumps? This is the first question. How long are the Gurjeet's and Gopi's jump? So Gurjeet's jump is 3 meter. So Gurjeet's jump is 3 meters 20 centimeter. Okay, ma? And Gopi's jump is how much, ma? 3 meter 15 centimeter. Okay, children. So try and see how far you can jump. So please do in the observation of your parents, ma. Take their help, ma. So jump it and measure the distance how far that you can jump, ma. Do it at your home, children. Now we'll move to the next one. How far can you throw a ball in meters? So take a ball and throw it and measure the distance where the ball is reached, ma. Maybe the longest one maybe 6 meters, maybe I could. Okay, ma. So look for a big ball. Take now big ball like a football or a volleyball. Take a football or a volleyball, ma, which is available for you. How far can you kick it, ma? Now you have to kick that one like with your foot, ma. So maybe you can kick. You can write your answer like this one. I can kick a ball to a distance of maybe 2 meters, maybe 2 meters, 3 meters, whatever it is. Okay, ma. Okay, try it and write your answer here, ma. Okay, children. Okay, children, that's all for today, ma. In the next class we will complete the next pages, ma. Okay, ma. Take care, ma.